Have you ever wondered why the Chinese tradition is so famous? Well, ancient Chinese treatments and medicines for sure have a lot to do with it. Every day, more and more scientific research is coming out about the unknown benefits these remedies possess. These Chinese herbs and medicines date back thousands of years and are not going away anytime soon. With that said, here are the 10 traditional Chinese medicines and herbs everyone should try at least once. Starting off at remedy number 10, acupuncture. Ever hear of this? Yep, we thought you might have. Acupuncture is one of the oldest practices, where thin metallic needles are penetrated into your skin. Sounds painful, right? But surprisingly, it works. Acupuncture works on the idea that we have special points in our body that are connected to different pathways. Traditional Chinese practitioners believe that by penetrating these acupuncture points, you increase the energy flow of the body that ultimately improves the overall health of your body. This treatment requires the practitioner to be very precise with how they place the needles in you. That's why any improper placement of the needles can cause pain. So, if you do decide to get acupuncture therapy, we recommend that you check out a licensed professional because, not to scare you, but there have been instances where contaminated needles were used by unlicensed practitioners, and that leads to infections. Many scientific studies have also shown that acupuncture treats problems like headaches, nausea, lower back pain, and menstrual cramps. The uses of this therapy are countless. Also, issues like anxiety, depression, migraines, neck pain, and many digestive problems can be healed using this technique. Number 9, cupping therapy. If you don't know much about Chinese medicine, what's the first thing that comes to mind when you hear cupping therapy? Something related to teacups, right? Well, you're not far off. Cupping therapy uses cups, just not for drinking tea. In this practice, the therapist puts special cups on the skin to create suction. These cups are heated with fire using alcohol, herbs, or papers, and then placed directly on the skin. The air inside the hot cup cools down and creates a vacuum. This changes the pressure on the skin that draws muscle upward into the cup. But we must warn you, hot cupping can sometimes cause redness of the skin that can be irritating for some people. Cupping therapy can help with conditions like cough, acne, shortness of breath, face paralysis, and even shingles. Even though this therapy has many benefits, it also comes along with many side effects. The most common side effects are scarring and bruising of the skin, whilst in some people, it can increase the chance of severe health problems like hepatitis. So you might want to go through all the essential information before you try this therapy. Number 8, Tai Chi. Ever seen those old Chinese movies with Bruce Lee? Anything ring a bell? Yeah, Tai Chi is one of the oldest Chinese martial arts. It is now practiced as an exercise. Surprisingly, this Chinese martial art is used more than simply to break ribs and bones. Tai Chi is used as defense training, meditation technique, and for health benefits. It is also sometimes called shadow boxing. Simply put, Tai Chi is a series of different movements that you perform in a properly focused manner. Studies support that Tai Chi improves everything like spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical health. Researchers at the Mayo Clinic have even suggested that Tai Chi can decrease stress, improve mood, and increase your body's energy levels by improving the balance of your body, flexibility, and muscle strength. To put this to the test, in 2015, 300 middle-aged adults were asked to practice Tai Chi for 12 weeks. It was found that this exercise helped reduce a good amount of body fat. If you are someone who can't do much exercise because of body pains, then Tai Chi would be your best friend. It is a low-impact exercise, and so it's considered safe among people of every age. Number 7, moxibustion. This word is a mouthful to say, but let us warn you, this practice is equally as complex. Moxibustion involves the burning of moxa on or near the skin. In this practice, the practitioner burns the skin until it gets red and you feel the heat. Experts believe that if you burn the moxa on specific points on the skin, it activates these areas and improves the flow of energy in the body. A 2013 study of moxibustion found that this traditional Chinese therapy can, in fact, help reduce muscle pain, joint pain, urinary disorders, asthma, and fatigue. Research also supports that moxibustion can treat gastrointestinal problems like diarrhea, abdominal pain, and constipation. But like with any therapy, make sure to first talk to your medical professional, because moxibustion does come with some side effects like allergic reactions, nausea, vomiting, and sometimes cancer. Number 6. Qigong. Have you ever seen the movie Kung Fu Panda, where they do martial arts with some soothing background music? Well, as it turns out, those are not any simple moves, but a combination of traditional Chinese movements that connect mind, body, and spirit. Qigong is a similar practice. The name Qigong consists of two words, qi, which means vital energy, and gong, which means skill that is cultivated through continuous practice. Some experts think Qigong is a specific kind of Asian yoga, while others think of it as a remedy to many problems. According to the National Qigong Association, Qigong opens the flow of energy in apex points used in acupuncture and many traditional Chinese therapies. It is thought that Qigong binds a person's mind to a specific underlying force in the world and deepens communication to ultimately improve the focus and willpower of the person. According to a 2011 study, Qigong can do wonders in reducing the symptoms of depression and improve bone and heart health. Number 5, Tuina. Tuina is another ancient therapy that makes up the fourth branch of traditional Chinese medicine. The philosophy behind Tuina therapy is that a sound health is only achieved when a person enjoys harmony and balance in their self and environment. Tuina is very similar to acupuncture and involves pressuring specific points on your body. But the only difference in Tuina is that the therapist uses their fingers instead of needles. During this therapy, the practitioner might massage your muscles and tendons and apply pressure on acupuncture points to improve the flow of your energy. This technique is exceptionally beneficial in treating pains in the neck, shoulders, hips, back, thighs, legs, arms, and ankles by reducing inflammation and treating problems like muscle spasms and arthritis. But be warned, Tuina is not your regular relaxing massage. You may feel discomfort during the procedure. Number 4, Astragalus. Now let's talk about the main branch of traditional Chinese medicine, herbs. And what better way than to start off with a good old Astragalus. This herb is native to northern and eastern parts of China and used widely for its health benefits. Astragalus treats many diseases and even has some people convinced that it can prolong life. According to a medicinal review, this herb contains a special sugar that strengthens the immune system and promotes various bioactivities in the body. Research also suggests that Astragalus can treat allergies and prevent cancer, diabetes, and heart diseases. Doctors are even confident that an intravenous injection of Astragalus can boost the effects of chemotherapy in treating cancer. With that said, Astragalus is safe in most people except pregnant women and patients of autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis. Number 3, ginseng. Over 2,000 years ago, ginseng was first recorded as a Chinese medicine that originated in Asia. It is an amazing herbal supplement that can be used in treating every kind of health issue. There are 2 types of ginseng herb that you should know. The first one comes from Asia and is used for rejuvenation, whilst the other is American and works as a relaxing agent. Ginseng is so widely used mainly for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. This is because ginseng is full of active compounds that reduce inflammation and kill harmful species in the environment. When this herb was tested on animals, doctors found that it helped improve different functions of their brain, like memory, mood, and behavior. In fact, some studies even support that ginseng strengthens the overall immune system of the body, which is tremendous. Number 2. Lycium. Lycium is a shrub that is native to China and is used in many foods and medicines. In different Asian countries like Tibet, Japan, Korea, Vietnam, and China, the dried product of lycium has a special name called gaoji. Studies say that lycium fruit contains various amounts of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and elements that are responsible for its health benefits. Because of these properties, this herb is a very effective treatment against aging and tumors. Before we show you one of the best all-rounder traditional Chinese medicines, if you are finding today's video helpful, then go ahead and subscribe. Also leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," and we can personally reply to each of your comments. Number 1. Licorice. Licorice, also called the guide drug of traditional medicine, is a flowering plant that is native to different regions of Asia. Like other ancient Chinese medicines, licorice is also well known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties. Many studies indicate that licorice can help fight against bacterial and viral infections and treat sore throats. Licorice also eases respiratory problems and intestinal disorders. A 2015 study found that due to its antimicrobial properties, licorice root can cure skin conditions like acne and eczema. If you have ever tried these traditional Chinese medicines or know of others we missed, then be sure to share them in the comments below. To see the next best